Hi guys, yes, it's Steph here, and what have we got for you today? Well, another gorgeous pen, just finished, just off the workbench. What we've got for you here is a lovely, gorgeous, handsome Conway Stewart number 36 fountain pen. As you can see quite clearly in this beautiful classic black colour. Now the Conway 36, they were made in England around sort of the mid 1950s through to the very early 1960s, and this particular model, the Conway Stewart 36, came, as I said, as you can see, in this classic black colour, and also 6 other different colours, and them different colours were burgundy, blue and green hatched patterns, and they also came in a blue, mauve and green striped pattern. So you had the hatch, and you also had, they came in these, as I say, these sort of a stripe patterns. So they came in the black and 6 other different colours. Gorgeous, gorgeous pens. As you can see, this one is a lever filled fountain pen. There you go, you can see the classic Conway Stewart lever. While we're on the barrel, let's take you up to the barrel imprint, and you can see it says Conway Stewart 36, and then just below it there we've got made in England. So we've got a lovely clear barrel imprint. The size of this pen, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, it's approximately 124 millimeters capped. Around the barrel it's a nice 11 millimeters in diameter. Let's take you up to the cap. You can see the cap there. We've got these 2 narrow cap bands, and then in the middle we've got this sort of, if you like, a medium cap band. So we've got three cap bands to the bottom of the cap there. We've got this very recognisable Conway Stewart clip there with the diamond to the top with the Conway Stewart logo. And then to the very top you can see it's got this gold coloured sort of peaked jewel or stud, and that sort of complements, you can see there the bottom of the barrel is slightly peaked as well. Okay, so as I said, an absolutely beautiful pen. Let's take the cap off for you. Let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. As I say, just come off the bench, been fully restored. We've put a brand new sack in the pen, and everything should be hunky-dory and ready to go. You can see the section there, slight taper towards the nib with this little ridge near the nib, and if we bring the nib a little bit closer for you, let's keep it nice and still, it reads Conway Stewart 14 karat gold, and then it's got the correct nib at the bottom. You can see it says 5N. Let's show you a sideways view for you there, and then let's take you underneath, and you can see there we've got the very, well, yeah, the classic Conway Stewart, quite a plain section underneath there. As you can see, everything lovely and clean as it should be, and as I said, a lovely handsome pen. As you can see, it's, well, by the size, 124 millimeters sort of capped. It's not a large pen, it's not the smallest pens I've had, but even with my large hands it's still more than comfortable to hold and to write with. Pardon? Oh, you want to see it writing? Okie dokie, let's bring on some ink. Let's open the lever. Helps if you've got nails. There we go. Let's open the lever there. You can see. Dip the ink in the nib in the ink. Pull back on the lever. We'll just leave it for a couple of seconds. We don't need too much in there. It's only for a writing sample. So let's bring on some paper and let's see how the pen writes. As always, this is the first time I've tested it after giving it a full service and restoring it. So you will be seeing exactly what I'm seeing. So we have the Conway Stewart, and this one being the number 36. Date mid-1950s, as I say, through to the very early 1960s. Writing very nicely. I would say writing with a fine line. Does the nib have any flexibility? Well, let's have a look. I would say not. I wouldn't actually sell this pen as a flex nib. There's a little bit of variation, but it's not a flexible nib. There we go. As you can see by the figure of eights, quite a sort of steady line. There's no, it's not a flexible nib. Writing with a fine line, but writing very nicely indeed. Okay, so that's the writing sample for you. Let's pop the cap back on and we'll leave it at that. So I don't think I've shown you this pen before, so nice to make a review of it. As I said, a Conway Stewart number 36 from the mid-1950s in classic black, in stunning condition, an absolutely beautiful pen. As you can see there, all nice and clean, as it should be. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. As always, don't be shy, leave a comment down below. Come on, leave a comment, don't be shy. Have you subscribed? Why not? Subscribe now. And don't forget people, we've still got a little bit of a problem out there. So please, wherever you are around the world, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.